Welcome back. Today I will show you how to boost your SEO by turning your WordPress website into a static one on Netlify. You will have faster load times, increased security, and enhanced performance. With Netlify's free tier, you can host your website for free and upgrade later. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. For this project, I will be using WP2 Static. It will help us transform our WordPress website into a static one. You can get the WP2 Static plugin from this GitHub link. I will put it in the description. If you want to use this plugin for free, we'll have to compile this from the source code ourselves. I'll be using compiling from the source code method. Copy the URL. We will now clone the repository. We will also have to install Composer. We can do that very easily by following the official instructions. The installation process is pretty simple. Just click next and you'll be okay. After we have installed Composer, we will install Composer on our project. This build release file will compile our project into a zip file for WordPress. There's also some minor errors in this script. I already fixed this script, so I'm just going to copy and paste. But this uses zip, but this doesn't work on Windows. So I will be using 7z instead. In the description, you will find a GitHub repo that has the corrected build scripts. If you don't have 7z configured, it can be a little tricky. So I'm just going to show you how to download and configure this in this video. Just search 7zip from the official website. We will download this. The installation is pretty straightforward. Just next, and you'll be done. But it's not over yet. We will have to configure this. Search environment variables. Click on environment variables. Choose paths and edit. Click new and put this address. And we're done. You'll have to restart your project for this to work. In the terminal, type tool/build release.sh and the name you want to give to your zip file. And now we have compiled our WordPress plugin. You can find it in the downloads folder. This plugin also comes with a Netlify add-on. We will need that. You can compile this add-on as the same way as the previous plugin. Copy the URL. Clone the repository. Install Composer. Run Composer update. Check if it updated properly with Composer install. Same as before, I've already fixed this, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just going to copy and paste. You can get the corrected build script in the GitHub repository down below. Same as before, run the command and give a name. And we're done compiling our add-ons and plugins. I'm using a local installation of WordPress. If you want to know how you can install WordPress locally without buying a hosting service, check out my previous video or click on the card. I will be using the default WordPress site for this YouTube tutorial. Go to plugins, add new plugins, upload plugins. First choose WP2 static, activate it, then we will add the add-on. Now we will have to configure the add-on. Go to add-ons, make sure it's enabled. Let's see the documentation. And here you can see the add-on takes two values, site ID and access token. You can find the site ID in site details. We're just going to copy it. In configure, we will paste the site ID. Search personal token. Generate a token. And add it to the Netlify add-on. Also, we will have to copy the domain of our website. Go to options. We'll paste it in the deployment URL. Now, if you go to run and click on generate static site, it will create a static site and automatically deploy it to Netlify. It deployed perfectly. Let's edit the title and deploy it again. Generate site. As you can see, it works perfectly. That's it for today. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.